In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save photos after editing in Luminar Neo. Let's dive right in and ensure your beautifully edited photos are stored safely and easily retrievable for your next project. First things first, you'll want to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. If you don't have a shortcut, navigate through your applications to get started. Once Luminar Neo is up and running, you'll notice the Catalog tab, your main hub for reviewing any images you have all ready to work on. To select an image, you have a couple of options. You can click directly on an image from the pre-existing list, which might include recent edits or uploads. Alternatively, if you're working with a new file, you'll want to use the Add Photos function. Just click on that and select the image you wish to edit from your computer's file system. After selecting your image, go ahead and start editing to your heart's content. Whether adjusting brightness, adding effects, or making more intricate edits, you can transform your photo until it's just right. Once your editing is complete, it's time to save and share those edits with the world. Head over to the top right corner of the Luminar Neo interface and look for the export icon. This is typically represented by a share icon. Clicking the export icon brings us to configuring export settings. This part might seem a bit technical, but it's super straightforward once you get the hang of it. First, you'll choose the location. This is simply where on your computer you want to save the new file. Make sure you select a folder that's both memorable and accessible. Next is the file name. By default, it may reflect the original file name or a previous edit, but now is a perfect time to rename your file if you want. Consider something that reflects your edits or the subject matter, as a well-named file can save time later on. Choosing the right file format is crucial. If you plan to share your photo on social media or via email, JPEG is often the go-to format due to its balance of compression and quality. However, if you're looking at archiving the image or keeping options open for further edits, TIFF might be the better choice due to its high-quality retention. Don't forget to adjust the quality and color settings as needed. You'll want the balance of quality and file size that best suits your intended use. Lastly, think about other options. This includes additional sharpening for clarity or resizing for specific presentation requirements. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, click the Export button. Your final, beautifully edited version will then be saved to the location you previously specified. And there you have it. You're now ready to share your edited photos however you choose, knowing they're safely stored and easily accessible for future projects.